Want to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? A faceless YouTube channel is the perfect way to earn passive income while staying behind the scenes. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to start and grow a faceless YouTube channel, choose a viral niche, create content using AI tools, and monetize your videos effectively. Make sure to watch till the end, because I'll reveal the biggest mistake new faceless YouTubers make and how to avoid it. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss powerful money-making strategies like this. A successful faceless YouTube channel starts with choosing the right niche. Not all niches work well without showing your face, so you need one that has high demand. People actively search for it, can be made visually engaging with stock footage or animations, and has monetization potential, AdSense, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships. Trending and viral faceless YouTube niches in 2025 include AI and tech explainers, motivation and self-improvement, luxury and finance, storytelling and true crime, compilation and facts channels, and health and fitness. Before we continue, if you haven't subscribed yet, click below and subscribe. Comment below which niche excites you the most. Now that you have a niche, you need to create engaging and searchable content. Here's how. Find viral video ideas using tools like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, or simply search trending topics on YouTube. Check competitors to see what's working for similar faceless channels and model your content after successful videos. Create an SEO-friendly title using keywords like Best AI Business Ideas in 2025, Make Money Online with No Experience, or Top 10 Luxury Cars You Can Buy Today. Write a high-retention script that keeps your script engaging, storytelling-based, and value-packed. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe for more YouTube business tips. You don't need expensive equipment to create faceless videos. AI tools can handle everything from video generation to voiceovers. Best AI text-to-video T2V tools include InVideo, Pictory, Synthesia, and FlexClip. Best AI voiceover tools include Murf.AI, ElevenLabs, and Speechelo. Before we continue, if you haven't subscribed yet, click below and subscribe. Comment below. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. Once your video is generated, it's time to edit and optimize it for maximum engagement. Best video editing software for faceless YouTube channels includes CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro, and Canva. Add background music and sound effects using royalty-free music from YouTube's audio library, Epidemic Sound, or Artlist to keep your audience engaged. If you're getting value so far, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. For your videos to be discovered, you need SEO optimization. Optimize your titles, tags, and descriptions by using high-ranking keywords in your title, adding detailed descriptions with relevant keywords, using hashtags like the faceless YouTube, passive income, and make money online, and creating eye-catching thumbnails. Pro tip: reply to every comment on your videos to boost engagement. Before we move on to monetization, subscribe and drop it in the comments if you're ready to launch your channel. Once your channel starts growing, here's how to make money. YouTube ad revenue, AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsored videos, and selling digital products. Want to know how to get your first 1,000 subscribers fast? Stay tuned till the end. Quick break. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Your future self will thank you. Success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. Follow these key habits. Post at least 2 to 3 times per week. Analyze your analytics and double down on what's working. Engage with your audience to build a community, and repurpose content on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook Reels to drive more traffic. Biggest mistake new creators make? Giving up too soon. Stay patient, improve with each video, and success will follow. If you're serious about making YouTube work for you, drop "I'm in" the comments. Now that you have everything you need to start a faceless YouTube channel, the only thing left is to take action. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Subscribe for more YouTube growth strategies and passive income ideas. Drop your questions below. I'll be answering every single one. Now go out there and start your YouTube journey today.